I'm gonna cut this part out.
Hi.
Okay.
I decided to look at all these beauty hacks and 5-minute crafts or whatever these things are called, and I'm gonna try some of them out for you today. So this is what the fuck do we do during lockdown level almost 3, starring not Buddy. So let's start off with the first video. Okay. Okay, so this video, you'll need a scarf. I'm gonna go get one. This is the only scarf I could find in the house. She looped it, right? Yeah, she looped it. Okay, all right, that looks equal. Did she fold it inward or outward? Inward. Inward. Did she fold it inward? Oh shit, these are some lanky boobies. I don't know what I'm doing. I have failed females everywhere. I cannot make fake boobs. Okay. Cool. Alright. Alright. I think... oh shit. I think I did a good job.
You did a boob job.
I think I did a boob job. I can't claim that, that was Kiki's joke. Alright, next video. Can we just take a moment to appreciate the guys? Like, what? Can you blame me? Like, what the hell, dude? Your girlfriend's right there. Stop, why are you looking at him? He's like, what? Can you blame me? I'm an asshole. Anyway. Yeah, okay. I wear high-waisted pants, so...
Can't relate.
Alright, her pants are falling off. So... instead of getting a belt, you're gonna do this whole process of putting...
Not everybody.
You're gonna do this whole process of putting a rubber thing. No, guys. I've got this thing. It's fine. Alright, next.
Is happy with how their body looks, but doing squats to add volume to the right places takes so much effort. Good thing there is a way out of this situation.
Yes.
Take a bra, put it on, and
Alright, so first of all, judging by the fact that I did this challenge or this makeup beauty hack should already tell you that I do not have bras that can make my butt seem bigger. I got a bra, so let's see what we're supposed to be doing.
carefully put it on your butt under your jeans. Wow, the push-up is doing its job. Take that, Kim K.
Yeah, because Kim K's butt is with a push-up bra. Alright, so I got a bra, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna do some comparison. Alright, let's do it. So, pull up my pants. Alright, so this is the butt without the push-up. Alright, I don't know why I'm saying it like that. I wouldn't recommend having tight pants on when you try this, but this is the after. My pants are dirty. I just sat with my dog on the floor. So, I don't know. I can't tell if it actually looks different or not. But my sister says I look like that guy. Have you ever watched Just Go With It? What's his name? Good Buns or Nice Buns? My sister says I look like him. I do have to say that it's nice cushioning for when you sit down. I'm not even monetized yet, and I'm gonna be demonetized because it's just ass and titties, guys. Anyway, next.
Girls know the end of the night means it's time to take off all that makeup. And seeing what Vicky has on, this is gonna be a process. At least she has a lot to talk to Lily about in the meantime. It's like Vicky is creating her own makeup removal tool. Can I get a snip? Okay, hopefully this will work a little better. And it looks like the glitter is actually sticking to the tape.
I feel like a myth buster, and also the more I watch these things, the more I feel like I'm an asshole because I'm like, that's not gonna work. Alright, so what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna put on glitter on my face and see if this actually works. Oh damn. Damn girl. I feel like I am an extra in Twilight. Edward Cullen who? It's the second Edward Cullen reference I made in this video.
Dit is op geen deco jij van het.
Yo, I'm gonna take that back. I look like I'm an extra in Twilight. Edward, no. Sorry, Kristen Stewart, a huge fan. Okay. I just had it. The look of death I just got from Buddy's like. Alright. Can I get a snip? Oh wait, let me do it exactly how she does it. Also, that's terrifying. My sister just like pulls out a knife. Here, I have this that we used one time when we saw a puff adder. Like, where did the snip go? Now I'm gonna use it for my face makeup. Right. The glue's giving me more problem than the actual... No. No, the glitter's giving me a problem. Okay.
Ja, maar van een zeer jouw lange kant.
Ja. Yeah, no. Cool. Alright, next. Alright. No, she did not. So... Instead of, I feel like for this one I might need to take my boobs off. The illusion is shattered. Alright, so instead of just like pulling this for, you know what? No. We're trying this out. I'm gonna put on some lipstick and I'll be right back. I kinda wanna just prove something to you guys real quick, right? So she put on the jacket. I'm gonna humor her and I'm gonna do exactly what she did with the, I don't have a McDonald's bag, but I have a bag. But literally all you can do is look like Beavis and Butthead. And no lipstick is on the collar, but I'm gonna do it because I said I will try these hacks or these, whatever these are called. I'm gonna do it. So, oh my god, look at that. I even took it off without getting makeup or lipstick on the damn thing. Oh shit. I actually got lipstick on here.
In het chin.
Maybe it didn't work because I actually didn't follow the instructions. I used a plastic bag, a broken one, instead of a McDonald's takeaway bag. So that's why it didn't work, guys, not because it's a stupid hack. Maybe I should get another bag that's not broken. I feel like there's a lot of effort for something you could just do this for, but okay. I decided to try different theories just to see maybe, you know, if we find a girl that's in my position who does not have a McDonald's bag, she can use an alternative. Okay, so here's the other one. It's not ripped. It's not sponsored either. It's fine. I feel like a magic trick. Huzzah! Oh, this was from earlier, right? Yeah, this is... Okay, I'm probably gonna wear it the other way around now because this is from earlier, so I keep like thinking it's not working, but it is. I feel like we could create a hack of your own, right? What you're gonna need for this little hack that I just invented by myself right now is the tape that you used to successfully remove all the glitter from your face, and then a bag like this. So what you're gonna do is you might need some assistance for this one, because I don't know, I need some assistance with this one, but I need assistance with a lot of things in my life. Kiki, could you please come help me, please? Make sure not to cover your nose. Then what you're gonna do is, can you lift my hair up, please? Stop laughing at me, I'm being serious. Okay, like this. Kiki, can I get a snip, please? It's very close to my face. Did not like that. And then what you can do is fix your hair. Don't do that. I just did that. And then, oh fuck! Like I need to turn it around because the lipstick is. Just rewind and listen to what I said. Okay. And look at that. And then you can just take this off. And look at that. You're ready. You're ready to go. Kiki, can I get a snip, please? Ow, it's stuck to my hair. I mean, it's good. I did well. Cut it off, please. And then, there you have an alternative to the bag. And just fix that. And there you have it. That's it. But I mean, another alternative could be just to fucking take your jersey off like a normal human being. Like, okay. Anyway, so that's it. That's the video. Thank you for watching, I think. I think if you came this far, or if you've gotten this far, I should really thank you for watching. Sorry, it's not photography related this time. I actually don't even know what channel this is. This is just a channel, like, with a lot of stuff. I don't know. Remember to stay safe and, you know, just check on your friends and everything. Anyway, thanks guys. Bye.